Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you an F34 error code and you're wondering what's going on and how can you get rid of this. So what's happening if you have the F34 error code is that you probably got it on the self-cleaning cycle, and the self-cleaning cycle will run, but it will only run if the washing machine is empty. And so if you turn on the self-cleaning cycle and the washing machine is not empty, it will sense what's in there and then it will give you this error. So all you need to do to get rid of it is just take out whatever you've got in there and then hit start, restart the self-cleaning cycle, and it should work. Or turn off the self-cleaning cycle if you accidentally put it on that. And I would recommend do the same thing, even if it's already empty and it's giving you this error. Just try that anyways. Just open it up, maybe give the drum a little spin, close it, restart it, because it might have just got geeked out somehow. If this keeps coming back, then we're getting into more complex things that you're probably going to need to call a technician to work on, because what's happening is that basically the washing machine thinks something's in there when it's not, and that could be happening for a couple reasons. For example, the bearings could be going on the drum, and when the bearings are going, they're not spinning as freely, and that resistance to the spin can make the washing machine think that there's something in here. So anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.